Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here. This beautiful C10 resto-mod pickup. I don't know where to start, man. This thing is gorgeous. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Okay, Michael. All right, it's a 72 Chevy pickup, short bed. It has a fuel injection 96 LT1 motor. That's all been redone. It has a 4L60E tranny overdrive.
Nice.
It has a 12-bolt rear, 355 gears. The gas tank has been moved from behind the seat to underneath. The frame is powder coated. Underneath the truck is painted just like the top. It's Cortez Silver. It has air conditioning, power steering,
Power windows.
Aftermarket radio,
Power brakes.
It has a disc on the front, drum in the back. Those are just dust covers on it, you know, just to keep the dust off the rims. It does a good job.
Such a nice, straight, beautiful truck. Cortez Silver, right?
Cortez Silver.
Red leather.
Red leather, very soft leather.
This is a steel cowl hood.
Everything's redone, you know, transmission.
Man, love the interior.
It's got the heat shield and sound deadener underneath the rug.
Okay. Seat belts.
Squeaks and rattles. It's got a hand meter, aftermarket gauges.
Wow. How many miles on the build about?
2,258.
Wow. Jeez, cool. LED turning signal indicators, tilt wheel.
Yeah.
Jeez, all the modern conveniences, huh?
Drives like a new truck.
Gorgeous.
It's got Flowmaster mufflers, no exhaust, headers.
I just love the red interior against the silver. It really works, you know? It's beautiful. Let's check out under the hood. Yeah. So this is like a Rhino lining?
Right, so you don't have to worry about scratching it in case you put your show chairs in here and stuff.
Yeah.
Here's where the gas filler is.
Nice.
Right there. Little Velcro here with leather.
Very nice. Wow. No. That's stainless steel? Wow, looks like mirror. Wow.
You see the frame now is powder coated?
Yep. Beautiful.
It's actually pretty good on gas.
Yeah, with the overdrive, I guess, right?
Overdrive fuel injection.
Gorgeous.
Aluminum radiator.
Love the hand fabricated shroud and everything. It's pretty cool, bro. Those are Headman headers.
Yeah. It's got a billet grill in the front.
Gorgeous. Let's take it for a quick spin. Sounds nice, Vinny.
Yeah. no squeaks.
Yeah, beautiful. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can check out more pictures, information, and video on our main website. That's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.